Alright everybody, today we're out here with the SNAPTAIN S5C. Now, for the first flight with this thing, I'm just going to fly it without using the Wi-Fi. I want to see what kind of battery life I'll get without using the Wi-Fi. But I am going to record some video because I do have some video in the SD card. I do have a, micro SD card in there. So we're going to start the video right off the bat. And you see the lights flashing, so that's a go. Okay, we got some video. So let's just take off and see. Because a lot of these Wi-Fi quads, they'll fly different with the Wi-Fi running and without the Wi-Fi turned off. So let's check it out. Let me see if the video is still recording, and it is. Yay! We like the video to be still recording. It's like the trim's a little off on it. Seems to fly nice, man. Seems to fly nice. That's about 80 feet up right there. Not losing bind or anything yet, so that's a good sign. And that's what happens a lot of times when you use the Wi-Fi on these things. They'll get up there a little way, they specify this amount of range, and then when they get out there a little way, they lose the bind and fly away. That's the Wi-Fi interfering with them. Yeah, it seems to fly good, man. No problem so far. It's a little bit of wind kicking up over here, but, I don't think it's the end of the world. Yeah. So far, so good, guys. Flies good. Good, good, good. No complaints. It does have a little bit of drift to it, but no complaints here, brothers. Wow, flies good, man. Flies great. So basically I'm done flying it for today, so I'm just gonna sit here and ride out the battery. I gotta try to trim it back a little bit because the wind is pushing it. I know you can't trim out the wind, but you can try a little bit. I just want to try to get it to hold stable here. Now the next flight on this, I'm gonna try the, you know, the flight where you move your finger around on the damn screen and that stuff. We already know the voice commands don't work, so that's a non-issue. So I'm just riding the battery out now. The thing flies excellent. And I thought it was gonna fly nice. Just from that little bit of the indoor flight, I could tell that it was probably gonna fly, you know, handle decently. You know, you can kind of tell that they're going to handle good out of the box, basically. Once you take them up for a couple of minutes, you can kind of tell, you know. I'm going to cut the video now so I don't lose it. I got some lights flashing up there. I think it's the low battery. Let me see. Yeah, that's what that is. So we're gonna bring it down. I'll put the flight time in. Okay. I don't know what the hell that is. Shut up. That was the low battery. Oh well. It's a beauty, the SNAPTAIN. It's a good one, man. It's a good one. It flies great. Flies great. All right, boys. This one's going to be going out to John after I fly that next flight, so I'm trying to keep it in, I'm trying to not tear it up for him. Just do a couple flights and then he can have it. He can tear it up. Okay. I'll talk to you later.